Cypress Test Automation. My name is Olumide Ayodeji, and I am a certified tester, or you can call me a product quality engineer. And of course, what is Cypress Test Automation and what it is all about? When we talk about test automation, it is making use of a testing tool that helps you to execute your test without you interacting with the software or with the product you are trying to test, that is the product under test. So what's the requirement for this training? As long as you have interest in quality assurance, you want to become a software tester, you're a beginner or you are already in it, but you want to refresh your knowledge of what you already know, okay, then make sure you follow through everything I will be showing you through this training or this tutorial. Okay, so if today is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe, and if you have been coming to this channel before, kindly subscribe as well so you can get updates of this tutorial anytime I drop a new video. So what we are going to be looking at in the part 1 of this course is Cypress and how it works. So what is Cypress all about? Then how to install Cypress on your computer, okay? Then Cypress locators, and you look at writing your first test, assertions in Cypress, handling drop downs, date picker in Cypress, and many other things. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing is, what is Cypress? Okay, what is Cypress all about? First, Cypress is a test automation tool. Okay, we have other test automation tools like Selenium, Cucumber, we have Playwright, we have that one, those Playwright and Appium, they are for mobile testing. So we have Catalan, there are a whole lot of test automation too. We have Test Stigma, right? So we have a whole lot of test automation too in the market, but here I'll be talking about Cypress. Okay, so Cypress is faster, right? Reliable, easier to use compared to some other test automation tools, right? So this is one of the advantages of Cypress automation tool. Then is good for debugging. It has a debugging feature like that, like a video playback that shows each steps of your test execution, and of course it provides for traceability, so you can actually see all your test execution and of course be able to debug what the issue is when you are executing your test. So Cypress is run inside a browser, like we have Chrome. It supports Chrome, Edge, Electron, and Firefox. Unlike some test automation tools that runs outside the browser. Okay. Now, what this means is that Cypress does not communicate with an external, with a Chrome driver or with a driver before where it compiles its code and now communicates via that Chrome driver to the web browser. But the way Cypress is built is that it's communicating directly to the web browser because it's running right on it. So Electron is an inbuilt browser for Cypress, and of course you can make use of any of other web browser like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Okay, so the other tools make use of web drivers, like I said the other time, right? They make use of for Chrome now. You make use of Chrome driver for Safari, the Safari driver, Gecko driver, and etc. Right? So they make use of these ones to interact with the web browser. Okay. but the way Cypress works is different. So Cypress is used to automate tests such as unit test, integration test, and system testing, or what we call end-to-end test. So unit test or integration test, in unit test is also known as component testing. Okay, so okay, now it was built on Node.js and make use of JavaScript programming language, though it has inbuilt syntaxes. Now, what it means is that Node.js is a runtime environment, and of course, a runtime environment for JavaScript. Okay, so because it was built on Node.js, it means that Cypress inherits JavaScript programming language, and of course it can be run using JavaScript basically. But of course, Cypress also has some inbuilt syntaxes that can be used to execute your test. So, and from the Node module, there are packages that are within the node that can be downloaded using npm. Okay, Node package manager. So whatever we want to get from that node, we use Node package manager. So when we want to download our Cypress during installation, we'll get to see this. We are going to download it using Node. Okay, using npm. So it's part of the Node packages. So we are going to download it from there. But Cypress also works with jQuery bundles and methods to get UI features. So I believe if some of us know what jQuery is, but if you don't know what jQuery is, just go to Google or YouTube, just type jQuery. Understand what jQuery is better. It's used to add all this animation and some other stuff. So jQuery for JavaScript, we use it. I mean, for Cypress, of course, there's some JavaScript plugin and library and all of that Cypress inherits from jQuery and its methods that are being used by Cypress. So that will be all for this video. Thanks for watching.